Have you ever wondered what you should do if you're involved in a car wreck or other type of injury here in the state of South Carolina, yet you're not a resident of South Carolina? My name is David Ayler, and I'm a personal injury and criminal defense attorney here in the Charleston, South Carolina area. I'd like to explain and give you a few tips that may help you in that process if you found yourself injured in some way. First and foremost, if you're injured within a car accident or any other type of personal injury at a business or a private home, it's very important to make sure the information is, of course, documented, whether that be with the police as well as the insurance company, and also make sure that you keep any and all medical bills related to the initial car accident or personal injury at the time that it occurs. Ultimately, it's very important to try to look locally for an attorney. You would like to hire an attorney locally because they're going to be able to assist you in the process of any claims you may have with the insurance company or also any claims you may have with the business or the personal homeowner. That attorney obviously would be licensed in the state of South Carolina and could practice law within this state to assist you with your claim. Using out-of-state attorneys would also cause issues related to practice of law if they were not licensed here in the state of South Carolina. Furthermore, the local attorneys are going to have a better understanding of exactly what should be filed and when it should be filed, simply based upon their experience. For further questions related to personal injury, auto accidents, or other criminal issues, you can always contact me at my office, 843-577-5530, or on the web at www.davidayler.com. Thanks for watching.